Assalamu alaikum.
How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel.
Today I am showing you how to stop hair fall naturally at home. Fenugreek seeds, methi dana. Yogurt. Vitamin E. Take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds powder. Prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply, revives damaged hair, fights dandruff, controls scalp inflammation, adds shine and soft texture, prevents premature gray hair. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. It's packed with protein, the building block of your locks. Greek yogurt also has an ingredient that helps with blood flow to your scalp and hair growth. It's called vitamin B5, known as pantothenic acid, and may even help against hair thinning and loss. Add 1 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is an essential ingredient for a healthy scalp and healthy hair. Studies have shown that people dealing with hair loss have lower amounts of antioxidants in their scalp, a result of oxidative stress. Vitamin E's antioxidant powers help fight free radicals so your scalp can support healthy. Mix it very well. Use this on hair roots. Leave it for 30 to 35 minutes for dry. Then wash your hairs with your fave shampoo. Use it once a week. Please like my video. Give me your feedback in comment section. Also share my video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel with the bell. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.